Hey there, I'm providing you all the NMAT classes free of cost. That's not a joke. And also, if you have ever looked up all about NMAT on Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, or wherever, you have to stop. You can just look at this video. It's the most comprehensive resource about NMAT exam on entire internet. Um, Tall claim, but yeah, it's true. And also, I started grad school this year itself. My name is Abhishek Leela Pandey. I'm the founder and CEO of grad school, and a lot of students told me, sir, that we have already, paid elsewhere. So what to do? And if we want to pay you, we have to shell out extra money, which probably our parents would not give. And even if you're working professionals, it's kind of, a huge dent in my pocket. But all over, all in all, I thought of let's make it totally free. I'll be charging only for the mocks because that is where something which I have to pay my tech team, so I'll have to pay them. So mocks are not free, but rest everything, all the sessions, strategy, even personal planner, everything will be free. So let's go back to the agenda. That is all about NMAT. I'll be discussing each and everything, and this video is scattered across different chapters. So watch from the beginning till the end and share it with your friends who are applying for NMAT. First chapter will be what is NMAT exam. That is obvious. Second will be important dates for the same exam. Then eligibility criteria for NMAT. The number of attempts in NMAT, a very, I would say, important question. Then complete NMAT exam fee breakdown, NMAT exam pattern, NMAT syllabus, resources from NMAT by GMAC. The GMAC is the organizing body that conducts NMAT exam. The same body conducts GMAT as well. How grad school will help you by giving free classes. All right, so let's start. Chapter number 1. What is NMAT exam? NMAT full form is NMIMS Management Aptitude Test. Now, NMIMS itself is an abbreviation for a college called Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies. That is in Mumbai is the main branch, but there are multiple branches which we're discussing here. This is conducted by GMAC, that is Graduate Management Admission Council. It's a national level entrance exam used for admission to MBA and PGDM for around 50 plus colleges that accept NMAC scores. Some colleges accept ZAD and CAT scores as well, but I'll discuss all of them. Well, chapter 2, the important dates. First is the registration window when you can apply for the exam. That is August 20 till October 10, 2026. The scheduling window, like when can you schedule your exam? So here you can choose your own dates, right? The best part. August 20 till October 22. You can choose the dates, okay? Exam delivery. When will the exams happen? November 2nd till December 20. So you can schedule within this period of time, August 20 to October 22, for the exam, which will be happening from November 2 till December 20, 2026. You are like, okay, I have to write exam every day. Not really. You'll write only once. And if you want to retake, you can write it 3 times also, not more than 3 times. It's like, the same day multiple exams happen. It's not like other exams. So let's say I'm writing NMAT, you are writing NMAT, same day, same time. But again, it's not mandatory that we will be getting the same questions. There's a pool of thousands of questions, and they throw questions at you in some other, in an adaptive test environment. What is adaptive? This exam, NMAT and GMAT, they're famous for being adaptive. That means the software automatically guesses or calculates your skills, your performance, and based on your performance, they throw questions at you. So let's say there's an easy question which I have done right. So next question will be a bit difficult. If I do the easy question wrong, the next question will be a bit easier. So this happens for the first few questions, and that is how the software gauges your performance level, and that is how they use the normalization across all the people who write NMAT exam. Retake registration, retake, and there is the thing called rescheduling. Both are different. I'll discuss that. Rescheduling, first of all, from August 20 to December 17. It coincides the same date. So it's like that you have applied for some date, some time, and you feel like, okay, I want to change the date. That is what rescheduling essentially means. And retake is like, if things go south, your exam is not up to the level that you expected to, then you can just retake the exam, which can happen 2 times more after the main attempt. We'll discuss that as well. The next chapter is eligibility criteria. Age requirement, none. No lower age limit, no upper age limit, just that you have to be at least, final year of graduation. At least. and anything more than that. You need to be having a bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university. Minimum marks is 50%. It's like a common sensical. For categories, it is 45%. Work experience not mandatory. Even freshers can apply for NMAT. Next chapter is number of attempts in NMAT. This is very important. So total attempts can be 3 overall. You can have 1 attempt, 2 attempts, or 3 attempts. So 1 is the initial attempt and 2 retakes in case you want to, you feel like, okay, I can improve my score. Such a nice way, right? It's like, okay, you are not prepared. Like in CAT, it happens, but you write it once. And if things go south, the entire year you have to repeat. But in NMAT, it's like, you can do it again. Provided there should be a gap of at least 15 days between any 2 attempts. It's not that, you write the exam today and tomorrow also you write the exam. There should be a gap of at least 15 days between any 2 attempts. No shows. This is very important. So it's like, you have applied, you selected the date and the time, but somehow you did not show up at the exam. Now this will be counted as an attempt. Okay, remember that. So always, in case you're not able to attempt the exam, just reschedule it. Okay, and rescheduling should be done at least 72 hours before the scheduling that you have done on your own. Okay, score consideration. Participating these schools look at the best score among all your attempts. It can be 1 attempt, 2 attempts, or 3 attempts. The best score will be considered. Nice thing, right? Next chapter, complete NMAT exam fee breakdown. So first of all, when you apply for the exam, you need to pay 3,540 rupees with GST. That is main test registration. And this also includes 5B school score reports. That means there are 50 plus colleges through NMAT, and you can, with this amount, 3,540 rupees, you can apply to 5 different colleges. Which colleges to apply for? For that, you can, kind of take my guidance. I have given the WhatsApp group in the description. You can just join that group in case you have any further queries. Retake registration per subsequent attempt would be 3,540 again, same as the base fee, same as the previous fee. Rescheduling fee must be done 72 hours before your slot. I discussed it earlier as well. That will be costing you 1,416 with the tax GST. Additional score report. So let's say you want to send your score beyond 5 colleges. For every college, you need to pay rupees 472. All of it makes it a very kind of expensive deal. But you know what? I have tried to make it as easy for you, as affordable for you by having zero fee on my course. All right. The next chapter, NMAT exam pattern. There'll be 3 sections: language skills, quantitative skills, logical reasoning section. So it's not LRDI like CAT. 36 questions in all these sections, but the time is different, right? For language skills, it's 28 minutes. For quants, it is 52 minutes. And for logical reasoning, it's 40 minutes. Overall, 120 minutes. 2 hours exam. Score range from 12 to 120. So there is no zero score here. Overall, 36 to 360. So maximum score possible is 360 across all the sections. For every section, maximum is 120. Now, you might be thinking that how come it's 12 to 120? What's the formula behind it? It's a statistical derivation. If you want that, I can do it. Purely statistical video. I think it's not required for you. You should focus more on preparation. Resources from NMAT by GMAC. So if you go on that website through which you'll apply for the form, that is GMAC, NMAT exam, here you'll find quick links. Exclusive study plan, NMAT by GMAC exam official guide, NMAT by GMAC exam official prep. So there is a book called NMAT official guide, NMAT OG. Same as it's like, GMAT official guide. You must have heard that. It's available on Amazon. If you want to buy that, you can. If you don't want to buy that, don't worry. We'll get you covered. No need to go through these links in case you don't want to, unless you want to buy the book. So, but this link will be beneficial for one thing, that first practice exam is free of cost. Next two are not. Okay. Similarly, at grad school also, I'll be giving you 10 full-length exams. So, but still, I would recommend going through this free exam. I'll put the website link in the description. Next, what are the key topics? So exact NMAT syllabus. In language skills, they will be asking you reading comprehension, RC, grammar, vocabulary, sentence rearrangement. It's like parajumbles in CAT, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, antonyms, and vocabulary is something that is not tested directly in CAT, and that is what makes NMAT a bit different. In quants, you have arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, modern math, everything that's there in CAT. By the way, in CAT, you must have noticed, if at all you have noticed, in modern math, they will be asking you one or two questions, not more. Permutations, combinations, probability. But NMAT can be, can ask you 5, 6 questions as well. And that is why the first class that I'm taking is on this topic only. So be sure to, kind of watch that. Data interpretation is a part of quants here, unlike CAT. And data sufficiency is also asked, which is not asked in CAT nowadays. Way back, a decade back, they might have asked, but now they don't. But in NMAT, they do ask. Logical reasoning, here it is logical reasoning, not DI. So DI is a part of quants here. Logical reasoning, you'll be getting analytical reasoning like puzzles, seating, verbal reasoning like syllogisms. What is syllogisms? You know that? All A or B, some B or C, all those kind of stuff. We'll discuss that as well. We'll be having classes on that also. Critical reasoning and series, number series, alphabetical series, alphanumeric series. So this is something which is not asked in CAT. So there is minute differences in quants. The difference is not that much, but in other sections, the difference is, I would say, there's a wide difference. And that is why you require a kind of an extra guidance for NMAT specifically. Free NMAT course by GRADSKOOL. Here we'll be taking 60 plus sessions, and that is what our paid course was also meant to do. 60 plus sessions across all three sections. We'll be discussing each and everything, from basics, from the scratch, from the fundamentals to the moderate and advanced level questions in the ambit of NMAT. That is what we're going to do. Okay, totally free of cost. In addition to it, we'll also be doing some strategy sessions. You know, in case you have some query regarding your preparation, you can join the WhatsApp group, which I'll be having on the description. I'll be giving the link. In the description, there'll be a lot of links. First is where to apply for NMAT exam, our website link, and our WhatsApp group link. So this is the entire free NMAT course by GRADSKOOL. So it's kind of guidance, mentorship. You can talk to me personally, all free of cost. I hope you like that. Please, I hope you like that. All right. And then NMAT mocks by GRADSKOOL, that is the paid part of it, in which we'll be having 10 full-length mock tests with real exam interface. So 10 FLTs, full-length tests, 12 sectional tests across language, quants, and reasoning, 40, I'll just write it here if it's not visible, 40 area-wise tests. When I say area-wise tests, what do I mean? Like for arithmetic, for algebra, for every area, we'll be having tests over here. Detailed analysis report after every attempt, percentile estimate, and topic-wise weakness tracking. I'm saying percentile estimate. I'm not saying exact percentile. Nobody can claim that. If they claim it, they are lying. Because, I'm never sure that out of this 10 full-length tests, the number of people who actually appear in NMAT, they will appear for my test. That is impossible, right? So that is why we give the percentile estimate. I'm very honest in that matter. I just see the truth. People don't like it. Maybe you like it, okay. If you like it, it's okay. If you don't like it, that's also okay. But that honesty always, plays really long. So topic-wise weakness tracking as well. Which topics you are weak in, which topics you need extra effort, all that will be discussed in NMAT Mocks by GRADSKOOL. This will be costing you rupees 1499 only. Nothing can be cheaper than this. All right then. I think it's not visible to you. No problem. I'll write that. I'll write the first 15 percentiles, as I told you already. So 100 percentile you will obtain from 245 to 360. 360 is the maximum score. So this data is from previous years in math performances. 99th percentile you will get at 236. 236 marks to 244 marks. All right. And I also tell you 95th percentile you get at 226 marks. I will recommend you that you should be aiming at 230 plus marks if at all you're aiming for the top B schools through NMAT. Now let's discuss about the top colleges. First of all, discuss all the branches of Narji Munje itself. It's in Mumbai, Bengaluru, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Indore. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. Fee 25 to 27 lakhs for Mumbai. For Bengaluru and Navi Mumbai, it's 22 lakhs. Almost same for Hyderabad also. For Indore, it's 19 lakhs. Average placement for Mumbai is 25.13 lakhs per annum. For Bengaluru, 14.12 lakhs per annum. For Navi Mumbai, 13.35 lakhs per annum. For Hyderabad, it's 11 to 12 lakhs per annum. For Indore, it's 9.5 to 9.8 lakhs per annum. So ROI is not that great, you know, except the first one. The first college is really good. Moreover, there's one thing which is not in this video. We'll be discussing that in the future videos, but I'll just tell you the outline of it. After you write the NMAT exam, then the second stage comes in with this personal interview and AI driven interview as well. And we also have this competency mocks. So we started this year only, grad school, and we could not prepare people for the entire NMAT because it's right this year, but we prepared people for the PI and the NMAT competency test. So NMAT will charge you again. Narsi Manji will charge you again. I know it kind of it sounds bad, but that is how it is. So for that, the next stage after NMAT, you will be writing one more exam, that is NMAT competency test. Okay, we'll be discussing that in the future videos, and we trained people for that as well. 13 people enrolled with me this year, and 11 got selected. All right. The other colleges, non Narsi Munji colleges, KJ Samaya, the expected score is 224 plus. By the way, for NMMS Mumbai, 235 plus is the expected score. That's why I told you 230 is your target. KJ Samaya, the approximate fee is same as other branches of NMIMS, like 22 23.5 lakhs per annum. Average placement is 13.05. XIM Bhubaneswar for its HRM program. Okay, so XIM also takes admission through ZAC. For HRM, it takes admission through NMAT as well. And the NMAT expected score is like 225 plus, and approximate fees 19 to 22 lakhs per annum. Average placement 18.25 lakhs per annum. TAPME, Manipal, a good college. Fee is 19.5 approximately, and average placement approximately 14 lakhs per annum. MS Bangalore, I discussed that. SD Pakoni, Central Mumbai. It's profile based. It's mostly profile based. The average package is 12 to 14 lakhs per annum. We don't discuss SD Pakoni here. So these are the top B schools through NMAT. There are more 50 plus colleges, but I don't think you should be focusing on that. If there is anything that I have missed, anything that you have to ask, put in the comments. I'll either make a video or answer directly on my WhatsApp group. So happy preparing for NMAT with grad school. Prepare free of cost. And I would tell you what, this is gonna be the best course of your lifetime. Okay, that is a tall claim, but a true claim. See you in the classes.